It's a total sellout. He wants people who's going to be a total sellout in this thing, because that's what it's going to take guys like Joshua and Caleb who see. This is just a wonderful, tremendous opportunity to be used by the Lord. And I do believe that Austin is the pivotal point for the great revival, the great taking over of this nation, this end time, to bring together everything that the Lord has purposed in his heart. And that is what's so really cool. And to be able to work with Esteban and the Nazarites, as I was saying, we have like 70-something ministries in our church, and nobody is independent of the other. We're all interdependent upon one another, and to work together, because no one auxiliary out of the church will bring this revival. We will do it together as the body. When God sends a man into the area, like he brought Bishop Phillips here from wherever to take the land, just like he sent Joshua into the land, there was a battle plan. God gave Joshua a battle plan, like he gave Bishop a battle plan. But we have not completely taken the land. They were able to go in and possess, but they did not completely take the land. We're going back in and we're taking what was missed. We're doing it one chunk at a time. It's restoring 78723, and that's exactly what we're doing. And God is using us to do this. I can sense his hand on this so strongly. His hand is on this, his blessing. He has placed his fire on it. Whenever the Lord accepted the sacrifice in the Old Testament, he accepted that through fire. And the fire of God, the hand of God, is on this thing. It's almost overwhelming to me. I'm just totally absorbed by it, and so thrust out and being pushed from the inside to go and do this. It's a total sellout. He wants people who's going to be a total sellout in this thing, because that's what it's going to take guys like Joshua and Caleb who see.